Are you ready for Sony's next flagship? VII might be making a legendary comeback. 4K display, boosted zoom lens, and that classic Sony flair. But is it too little, too late, or just what we've been waiting for? Let's be real, Sony's smartphone game has been kinda like jazz lately. Niche, artistic, and full of surprises. Last year's Xperia 1.6 ditched that iconic 21.9 cinematic screen and the 4K panel. Fans? Not happy. But rumor has it, Sony heard the noise, and the Xperia 1.7 might just bring that beautiful 4K display back where it belongs. We're also hearing spicy leaks about the camera setup, a redesigned layout and a next-gen periscope zoom going up to 200 millimeters. That's not just impressive. It's DSLR-level bold. Now in the age of AI everything, Sony's staying chill. No gimmicks, just clean pro-grade tools. Still, there's talk of Gemini integration, Google's AI, to give it that 2025 sauce without selling out. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, Elite, is almost guaranteed. Plus, up to 16 GB RAM and maybe even a 1 TB version, with a microSD slot still hanging on like a true Sony rebel. It'll likely land around $1,399 this summer. Yeah, premium pricing, but if the 4K screen and zoom magic return, it might be worth the splurge. So, is Sony finally back in the flagship race? Or is this just another niche phone for the camera nerds and cinematic purists? Drop your thoughts below and hit that like if you want the 4K display to make a comeback. Don't forget to sub. We're watching every leak, every render, every drop. Catch you in the next one. Peace.